All right, guys, so I was walking by, got my little cart here. I was walking by, and this is what caught my attention here. But then I kept looking. And then I caught this. And it says, "Happy birthday, Dre." So I don't know who broke up with who. I don't know if it was the guy broke up with her or she broke up with him. But it's clearly a photo book with photos of them looking all cute together. But somebody threw it out because they didn't want it anymore, apparently. And yeah, so that's that. It's actually nice book. You know, you could definitely tell this was a well thought out gift. It's not a cheap album either, so it's unfortunate, but throw that in the garbage. Then we have this really cool Gucci box that I am going to take, and then we have the bill of sale here. They paid $6,800 for whatever it is that they got. I can't quite make out what it is because it's from Hong Kong. And yeah, so I can't read or understand that language. So I will be taking the Gucci box. And then we have more stuff in here. We have this really cool cups tumbler. Let's see if the tumbler is in here. Yep, it's in there. Doesn't look like it was ever used. Nope. And it's funny because I just sold a Chicago Bulls mascot bobblehead on eBay. So I'm gonna see how much this is worth. And if it's worth something, it will be going on the bag. Put that there. I'm not sure if we have anything else in here, but we're gonna check. Yeah, with the high-end boxes, I prefer to take those. You can sell those, believe it or not, or you can keep them for your own self and use them for, what is that? I'm hearing some. Oh, that's carrots. And you can use them for, you know, jewelry containers. Some Mark Fisher shoebox. Oh, we got a happy birthday candle kit that I will be keeping. Haley's birthday is coming up. How many do we have in here? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 17. Well, duh, it's right here. All right, cool. So I will be keeping that, and I will be using these for Haley's birthday. Okay, Haley Bob, it is your 10th birthday, and every year, you know, Mommy always do a traditional birthday cake or whatever it is that's your favorite treat. And for you, I have a double stuffed oatmeal cream pie. And I wrote this out myself, and I'm going to take this upstairs to you right now, my baby, to present this to you with your gifts. All right, so I'm gonna bring it upstairs to you right now. That is coming up. One of the things I like to do for my children every year, I make sure I get them a cupcake, and I put, you know, happy birthday on it, and I wake them up with a happy birthday song. Oh, look, guys, we have these really cool headphones. These are different. They have the little blue, navy blue on the tips. See those? So I'm gonna keep those as well. And then we have a gold red for women, and this is to hold on, I'm hearing some. Oh, that's him. I'm like, I hear some. That's him, huh? Okay, so it's basically in honor of women with heart disease, and as many of you guys know, I am a heart patient, pacemaker recipient, and I usually like to wear this around Go Wear for Women month, which is usually in February. So I will be keeping that and put that with the other Go Red pen that I have at home. We have more stuff here. This is a nice little glass. First, let's first. We got a belt here. Really cool belt that can be donated when I go out with the band of brothers I like to go out with them and to donate and give back. So I'm going to be keeping that and donating that. I'll wrap that around there. All right. And then we have this really cool mirror from Home Details. Really cute cosmetic jewelry mirror that I will be keeping. So I'm going to sit that there. Somebody suggested that I put a bag lining in my cart, and I am definitely going to do that relatively soon. Okay. And what else do we have in here? A shoe bag. I'm not gonna take. And then we have. So what I'm gonna do, guys, because I need to get in that can. I'm gonna put you guys in the harness right here. All right, so I have you guys in the harness. I'm gonna tighten you up a little bit so you won't be as wobbly. And I am going to put this garbage bag here for now. Pick up this drawer that fell. Pick all the stuff that fell out of it. Put it up here for now. And I'm going to move this dresser drawer to the side. I wish I could take this dresser drawer, but unfortunately, it's all messed up in the back. This is a nice dresser drawer too, by the way. Let's see. All the drawers are here. But unfortunately, Antoine cannot pick this up by himself. Look at that. That's nice. Here's the other one here. Oh no. There we go. No, it's missing another drawer at the bottom. So. Alright, so I'm not going to take that, guys. It's all beat up. I wish it was in good condition. Let me hurry up because we got the garbage truck coming. Let me push this back. Okay. So that's that. And then that's that. All right. All right, guys. So I'm seeing something. On top of the can here. We have this cool looking bag. Look like it's a baby bag. See if this works. It does work. By Embark. Yep, it's a baby bag. I'm gonna take this, clean it up. Throw all this stuff in the garbage here. And I'm gonna wipe it off, wash it off. And I can give this to a mother in need. So I'm gonna sit that there. Okay. All right, guys. So we have some stuff in here. I'm gonna look in here because the train is coming. So give me a moment, okay? Remember when I told you guys I just sold a bobblehead? Well, this isn't the bobbleheads that I found, but it's definitely one from Chicago Bulls. So I see they have more than one box in here. We have this scarf. It looks as if it's probably cashmere. Let's see. I don't know, but it's from Mac Studio. It is machine wash. I don't see the material on here at all. So I'm still taking it and I can wash this. And guys, here comes another train. I'm gonna wrap this around here. boxes, guys. Let's see, are the earbuds in there? It would be nice if it was. Nope. Okay. No fret, my pet. Nope. Okay. We have a Louis Vuitton box bag. Little video on Instagram where it's showing you how you can buy a PVC bag, put the high-end shopping bag in it, and people have been wearing homemade tote bags out of the high-end shopping bags. Really cool idea. So if you can find a bunch of these and lock them together and throw them on eBay, you can get yourself a nice amount of money, because people are on the prowl for high-end shopping bags. Here is a scarf that's all beat up. I see another scarf there, so let me get my grabber. Okay, here we go. Here is another nice looking scarf, plaid. Let's see, what company is this? Or what brand, I should say. I don't see a brand name for this scarf, but I'm still gonna take it because once again I could wash it and donate it. Here comes another train, guys. All right, we have a box of cards. Make sure I look at the cards inside the card envelope, because people hide money in the envelopes. Now, it's a possibility, of course, the person, if it's open, they looked at it, I'm sure. But you just never know. Never knew. Super Benny. Oh, this is the Chicago Bulls mascot. Ready, set, imagine. What is this? Look at that. That's cool. That's cool. All right. Here's a journal that I am going to take. Uh-oh, guys, I see a gift card. Look, this is from Google. And it came with the Google Stylus pen that I will be keeping. Let's get the gift card, guys, that just fell out. Right there. It's more than a gift card. I'm not sure how much money is on here, but I will for sure take a look and see. All right, cool. Take that and put that in here for my fanny pack. So here's another gift card from Nike, the Nike store. Got to register and all that in somebody else's name? Nope. Garbage. Let's see, what else? Do we have any more gift cards down here? Let's see. Well, what do we have in there? Thank you. Nope. Okay. Okay, cool. We have something in this box. We have some wine wipes. Doesn't look like they were used or open. I'll take that. And we have this box filled with pens. I will for sure take the pens. Can never have enough of those. I don't see anything else in here that's worth taking and keeping. All right, so dump that. Okay. Okay, and we have stuff in here, so I'll pull this out. All right, guys, I hear a train coming from afar. So that's a, what's the name? Definitely looked like somebody was in here because it's a rip right there. So got that. Let's see what's down here. Here is another bag. Cool. In wick. All right, we can take that, donate that, clean that off, donate that. And then in here we have a hydro flask. Really? What's in here? Water. All right, I'm gonna take this and sterilize this. Hydro flasks, guys, are very expensive. Clean that off, disinfect that. So I will be putting that there, right there. And what else do we have in here? All right, guys, here comes the train. Have this scrunchy, Budweiser scrunchy. Okay, we had glasses still in the container. Here's another one. Go ahead and dig in there. I don't see anything here of importance. We have a venture card, but that's somebody's identification there. Okay. Poster. All right, guys, let's go ahead and move around.